Welcome to our handmade workshop.
We boosted our creativity in many ways.
First of all, we had a challenge of drawing one object in 20 ways, 70 animals, 7 trees, or even a bottle of water.
Then we tried to create our own characters and express their emotions.
All of these creatures appear just from simple shapes, but they are all very unique and interesting.
Also, we drew one line portrait.
On the last day on workshops, we made our own characters using random generation. For example, I got a tempting client swim coach. We showed these heroes using drawing technique and collage.
Oh, I almost forgot to mention, we learned to make fenishki discover bracelets.
Now we can give amazing handmade presents to the people we love and enjoy it.